Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. So in today's video is going to be a day in the life, a little bit of everything today, doing some chores, some laundry, maybe some gift wrapping that I need to do, and a little behind the scenes of a little family photo shoot here in our house. So hopefully that goes well. So that's why you see me all glammed up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get started.
I want to put like a little bit snowflakes on here and make some balls and snowflake balls, like snowflake balls, snowflake balls. Yeah. So just like
Now I gotta focus on the doors and the windows.
That's good. That's very good. I love it.
You know I'm filming you. Hi, princess. She had her little pigtail, and somehow she managed to take it off. I'm surprised she actually didn't bother taking it off yesterday. Need a haircut, right, Mama? You look like the Who family. I love messing with you, Mama. I love you. Her flannel is so cute. I feel like it's just a tiny bit tight on her. Maybe not. I could actually fit my fingers in there. Well, it's not bad. Maybe it's just a tiny bit tight. It's a size small. She's usually a size small. I mean, she's 5 pounds. I got it off of Amazon, of course, because I can never find stuff like this at the store. And I think she likes it. Usually she gets like mad, like she hides and stuff when she has clothes on, but I think she's comfortable in it. Yeah, flannels are comfortable, huh, Mama? Huh, princess? So right now I'm gonna cook real quick some chilaquiles. I already have my chiles boiled and my tomatoes, so now I just gotta blend them with onion and garlic. Basically what I'm looking for is cooking the tortilla and toast it a little bit. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Even though some of them are like mushing up. I put the heat down. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my salsa. I like to use this guy. I really don't like to use the big container to blend in my stuff. I boiled 3 chiles serranos, so I really hope it's good and spicy. I'm gonna add some Nor Suiza on there, and then if I need to add a little more, I'll add a little more, and my garlic and my onion. Nice and flavored. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of the water from what I boiled my tomatillos. Just gonna add a little bit of water. Just gonna eyeball it. I don't even know how many tablespoons I'm putting right now. Ooh, I smell that onion, girl. It's gonna be good. I can see my tortillas are getting really good. I added a little salt on the tortillas because I usually like to use tortilla chips from H-E-B. They're already like salted, they're sea salted, and they're really good. But I didn't have any, so I figured tortillas will do. I'm gonna add it on there, but I'm gonna try it off of this thing. My tongue, unfortunately, is burnt, but it's good salsa. I'm just gonna pour the salsa over and put the heat down because I don't want the salsa to dry. I'm gonna add the rest of my tomatillos because they didn't fit, and maybe I'll just add a little bit of more onion because these are not gonna be flavored. So I'm gonna try it again. It's good. I'm gonna give it a mix. It's a little runny. That's how I like it. We're just gonna mix this chill killers. Okay, and now I'm gonna add my epazote so it will boil and bring all those flavors together. I'm just gonna add the epazote like so. Trust me, epazote gives it a very delicious flavor. Thanks to my mama. Now, I haven't cooked chilaquiles in a while, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Alright, so my chilaquiles are done. They're ready to eat. Now you can serve it with some eggs or whatever you want. Top it up with cheese, sour cream, beans. Oh my god, so good. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my lazy frijoles. Refried beans, put them in here. But first, I like to put a little bit of oil on the pan and add some onion so the beans can have a little more flavor. Not like a lot, just a little less than a handful. You hear that sizzling? I'm gonna cook a little of the onion. When you're cooking with oil and then how this has some juice on it, it's gonna spark, so it's gonna like jump like the oil and all this together. So turn off the heat, move it or move it away from the stove so it won't jump, and that way you won't burn yourself. So I'm just gonna turn it off. It's gonna jump a little bit, but not as much. And I just add a little bit of milk so they could be a little more soft. A little bit, maybe like a tablespoon or so. And I wanted to try this chicken noodle from Bear Creek. I remember I tried chili from this brand and it was so good. So I'm really hoping their chicken noodle soup is good. So right now I'm kind of boiling some water here. It's taking forever. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my sour cream, which I have so little, but I have another one right here. So I'm gonna put it from here to this container. And then I'm going to add a little bit of milk so it can be a little, you know, liquidy and stuff. Okay, that is like the perfect consistency. It's still liquidy, but it's still thick, so that's perfect. Well, for me at least. And dinner is ready. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my daughter's Christmas tree in the room right behind me. Hopefully it fits right, because I forgot how small it is. So yeah, let's get to it. Do you like it, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite ornament?
A rainbow.
The rainbow. Oh, rainbow. That's it?
And also a unicorn and this car.
Oh yeah, the car is cool. All of them are so cute.
Yes.
Alright guys, so yesterday I couldn't do anything. I was not feeling too well. So I just left everything as is. And I really wanted to tackle my laundry. I did laundry, but we all know how we do laundry and then just let it pile up, you know, after the dryer. Just, you know what I mean? Just leave it there and don't fold it, don't put it away. Yeah, it's been like that for a few days now. So I need to put it away, so I'm gonna do that right now. My goal today is to do that primarily. And then I need to gift wrap. I haven't wrapped anything, guys. And it's just in a pile downstairs by the wall. So I need to get the wrapping. I usually like to have my gifts under the tree for like a while, but they're not gonna last. It's just gonna be for a few days. I can't believe Christmas is already coming, you guys. Like, what? Like, didn't the year just started? Like, oh my god, this year just flew by. I swear, once you're an adult, everything flies by. Everything, kids go fast, the days go by fast. Some days, I actually feel like this week has been the longest week ever. It's barely Thursday. But, yeah, for some reason I thought today was Friday. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and tackle this laundry. And so if you're doing laundry, let's do laundry together. Alright guys, this is not a drill. It's actually real. This is how my room is looking right now, and it's giving me anxiety. Alright, let's get to it. But first we need music. loves, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, loves.